Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix the Roblox white screen when joining a game. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak connection often causes loading issues. Next, try restarting your computer and the Roblox application completely. Finally, clear your browser's cache and temporary files, as corrupted data can prevent the game from launching correctly. These initial steps resolve many common problems. Outdated graphics drivers are a frequent cause of display issues. Make sure your graphics card drivers are fully updated for optimal performance. If that doesn't work, a fresh installation of Roblox can often fix corrupted files. Uninstall the current version, then reinstall it. Alternatively, try using the Roblox application available through the Microsoft Store, which sometimes bypasses web-based issues. Sometimes, adjusting compatibility settings can resolve the white screen. Right-click the Roblox player, go to Properties, and set it to run in compatibility mode for an older Windows version, like Windows 8. Also, disable full-screen optimizations and ensure it runs as an administrator. These adjustments can help Roblox function better with your system's display settings, potentially resolving visual glitches. If the issue persists, close any resource-intensive background applications using Task Manager. Verify your system supports DirectX 10 or higher, as this is crucial for Roblox. If all else fails, creating a new Windows user profile or contacting Roblox support directly for personalized assistance is recommended. They can offer specific solutions tailored to your unique system configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.